glass holes, lift it out of the water, grab the line, and slam it. Slam it.
Yep, go on, Sean.
Bring it up.
It's huge.
Bring it up. Bring it up.
It's fighting. It's fighting.
Make sure you line it up good with the hole.
Oh, we get ready to grab it.
Pull it up, pull it up.
Oh!
Oh! Look at that, baby.
Spots.
See, everybody leaves and we're nailing all the fish now. Okay, grab the rod. Jaden will hold it for you. Oh, he's in there, good.
No,
Okay,
he's not. He's not.
he's bleeding though on you. Get the blood off you. All right, let's bring him in.
That's a tangle.
Just grab all that in. Just here, give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go in. We'll go help him out. Are you excited? That's an awesome catch.
I caught a bigger one. I caught one.
Oh, would you? Okay, let's go. Hurry up. He's bleeding. We gotta help him. Okay, leave the tip up outside. Right here. Good. Okay, guys, can I get in? Okay, watch the heater, please.